How to fix Xiaomi Redmi 15 Pro camera distortion. Let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. So from here you can see volume up and power button. So just press them once, volume up and power button. And from here you can see simply swipe up, then mobile phone will be shut down. And after that, open settings app and go down, select apps, and from here we have manage apps. Click on this, and from here search camera app, click on this, and from here we have storage, click on this, and from here you can see clear data. Simply click on clear data. After that, clear data in storage camera. Then go back and select system app settings and select camera, and from here you can see restore default setting. So simply click on this. After that, settings will be reset, and then go back and again open settings app and select about phone, and from here you can see update. Click on this, and from here checking your latest version will be updated or not. If is not updated, then updated it to latest version, and after that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.